Go nuts with Kentucky Fried Chicken. Sweet and savory, it's cooked to order. Get it in a basket or a sandwich. Only at KFC. It's finger-licking good.
This impossible stuff is, I don't know about it, man.
Sahar finally convinced Olu to try the Impossible Whopper.
Oh, can't go wrong with 26.
Get the Impossible Whopper as part of the 2 for $6 mixer match. Your way, way better.
With Redfin, when you see a home you love, you can book a tour on demand.
This message is being broadcasted by the United States government. This is not a test. The following information is critical to your safety. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple reports were made regarding the dead rising back up to the living. The following cities have been affected and are currently being evacuated: New York City, Newark, New Jersey, Boston, Massachusetts, Providence, Rhode Island, Portland, Maine, and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you do not live in the immediate vicinity, we cannot assure your safety at this time. Stand by for further information, and do not turn off any of your devices. This is not a test. The following cities are now being evacuated: Seattle, Washington; Portland, Oregon; Sacramento, California; Phoenix, Arizona; Washington, D.C., Miami, Florida; Los Angeles, California. We have been advised to provide you with the following information by the President of the United States. Avoid all contact with the deceased. They are extremely dangerous and will inflict life-threatening injuries towards you. If you do come in contact with the deceased, destroy the brain by any means necessary. If you are bitten and/or scratched by the deceased, do not seek medical attention. Alternatively, distance yourself from those around you. The United States government has decided to withdraw all further attempts to evacuate major cities due to an overwhelming amount of cases in which the dead overpowers the living. For everyone impacted by the recent events, please know you are in our thoughts and we wish you peace and safety. Thank you for your cooperation. God bless America.